Hello friends, today I am going to show you how to repair LED bulb. So friend, you need to make sure which one have a damage. If you find it, see one dot head, I think this one damage. So if you find it, just remove like this. See, then you hit the iron. This one is I calling iron, but I don't know what we call in English. Then put the some rosin. Actually I'm calling this one name of rosin, but I don't know what to call in English. And then put some rosin. Just you put it like this one enough, and this bulb is okay now. And friend, if your bulb have a lot of damage, you just remove like this, cut the scissor and just through the garbage this bulb, and you put the new one. You can buy from, I think it's our Bangladesh taka and 15 or 20 taka. Okay, then you fitting this with this bucket. Then you need to make sure which one have a plus and minus. Just you not in first of all you need to make sure plus and minus. Then you put this plus to plus and minus to minus wire. Just fit it like this. If you connect it like this one okay, and it's work very well. Okay, thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel for another video.